EET 114, Chapter 25. Problem number 22. It says sketch the response V sub C of this network to the square wave input shown here. So the first thing we do is figure out what tau is. Tau is R times C, which is zero point 0.2 milliseconds. And then the period, it'd be, you're given the frequency is 500 hertz, so the period's 1 over 500 hertz, which is 2 milliseconds. So 5 tau would be 1 millisecond. It'd be 0.2 times 5. We're going to set that equal to t over 2. Because remember, we talked about t over 2 before. So from 0 to t over 2, which would be this pulse, all right, V sub C is this formula. We just plugged in the initial value was 20, and then this is tau in here. So that's what it looks like. So it's going to charge up right there. And then from t over 2 to t, which would be this negative period right here, the initial voltage is 20, final voltage is negative 20. So then you use this formula, and then you plug in all the values, and you get this equation. And then from t to 3/2 t, the initial voltage is negative 20, okay, starting here. And then the final voltage is plus 20 over here. This is where 3/2 t is right there, that point on the t-axis. So you use that equation again. This is the general equation. You plug in the values and solve and simplify, and then you get this. So at that point, it negatively charges to here, and then it positively charges back up here. So that's what the waveform looks like.